Hello everybody, we are at the SMTA Expo. This is soldering and manufacturing. This is all the stuff here. So as you walk in, you're gonna have all these, and you're gonna have Weller. This is Weller.
Yeah, how you doing? Keeping busy up there?
Yeah. I'm just telling you, make sure you stop by here so that these guys come every year.
How long you been in there?
Then you have LPKF. Hello, doing well. I'm doing a quick little YouTube video. I'll keep you out if you want to stay out. Hey, what do you do?
So we sell laser depaneling equipment. So LPKF manufactures various laser solutions for the electronics industry. Anything from prototyping equipment to laser depaneling equipment, stencil lasers, plastic welding. Yeah, German-based company.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, Seika.
Sure, it's gonna cost you. Right. How big is your company? We're about 30 million dollars. Not quite the same size, but again, a very niche market for us. Especially like we're doing a lot of space products.
SMT Northwest. What's going? JBC. JBC. We have Leica microscopes here. I tried one of these. It is really awesome. The video from it is really nice too. And this is JH Technologies. They do X-ray imaging and they're local, so that is a good resource and contact. This is the Yamaha.
Hello.
Hello.
We do a Yamaha full line solution, including screen printer, pick and place machine, and AY, among other things.
Thank you. Fuji. Okay. Is it okay? Are you okay?
I'll scan your badges in, and then I'll send you an email, and you can forward it on to whoever.
Utilization. So it's like.
But I can walk around. Yeah,
Jamie just said yes. No.
what about this cheap brand that's cheaper?
You don't need Walmart.
Sure, you can always go cheaper, but then you get what you pay for.
Powell Industries. These guys are JBC dealer, and if you need a tip or solder, they will deliver it to you. These guys are awesome.
Yeah. We've bought equipment like that that's old.
ESD foams.
We have a customer.
I was hoping this guy's going to be here. This company says he supports the right to repair. They provide schematics and everything for their machinery. It's a small show. That's cleaning. I haven't been able to catch this guy at his booth, so I have a couple questions I wanted to ask him on cleaners. Then you've got American Standard Circuits. This is a local PCB manufacturer. This got some of his samples here. They do flex, rigid, everything, and they're local. It's one of the ones I haven't heard of yet, but I will definitely be doing a tour of their facility. He's out in Malino, Oregon, and he's over by the airport. So whenever I take my airplane out to Malino for its inspection, I will be making an appointment to do a tour of his facility. Then you have Screamin' Circuits, which is really close to them. They do PCB assembly. Give me a thumbs up or say hi.
Hi.
There we go. Milwaukee Electronics, Screamin' Circuits. And it's a pick and place manufacturer. You're good.
I'll give you the banner for my machine.
Then we have sensors. Kayano sensors. It goes into like some sort of network. And there's sensor software. There's some of the other sensors that they have here. That is a inspection. And we have Technica. We have Mantis. I don't know about him. He's just sitting there. But that is the SMTA Expo 2025, Hillsboro, Oregon. It's a small show, but it's got a lot of good information and a lot of contacts. We'll catch y'all later.